Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you my sports car Hot Wheels collection. I have all these Hot Wheels, but they are not actual car brands because you know Hot Wheels makes up cars and they don't even have a brand. But these are actual cars that do have a brand. They're based on a brand, and I'll be showing them to you. So to start off, we have the Lamborghini, what is this one here? Let me check. Murcielago, the Lamborghini Murcielago. Doors will open sideways. Here, let me get them to open sideways for you. Next, we have a Toyota. Next, we have a Transformer. It's not a Hot Wheels, but I still wanted to add it to this collection. It's a Chevrolet. It's a Transformer, as you can see. Then we have a Dodge Charger. Next, we have a Aston Martin 77. No, it's a Aston Martin 177. Then we have a gold Aston Martin 177. Then we have a GTR, a 117 Nissan GTR R35. Right here is a Dodge. You probably don't believe it, but it says it at the bottom. If I can get it to show up on the screen, but it does say Dodge. Next we have a Dodge. Here is a Chevy. Right here is a Corvette Stingray. Then we have the Ferrari 485 Spider G14. Next we have a Dodge Charger. Then we have another Dodge Charger with the Superman logo. And then we have a Toyota. So that is all my sports car collection. And I will be doing another video just showing every single one of my cars, but those sports cars, because I've already showed them. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.